Why talking to strangers could change your life. When I was young, around 13 or 16-year-old kid, I was studying in Vietnam right from the high school, and I had a damn superpower. That is invincible kid. I didn't know anyone. Also didn't want to talk to anybody. Just went to school every day, looked down at the ground after finishing the class. I run to home, get back to my shelter, and didn't want to interact with any friends. I didn't have a lot of friends from high school. I just go to school every day and read books. Shy was one of the monsters inside of me. It keeps me from not talking to new people and new friends, and even I lost so many opportunities just because of my big ego and shy feeling. Even reaching out to a romantic relationship, I was so shy to talk to her. And of course, I've lost all of them. Got a job when 17 years old, got two part-time jobs, and I quit all of them just because of not enough money to pay the bills. At that time, when I quit my job, I hit the rock bottom. I don't have money, friends, of course, and also I didn't want to share this story with my parents. And one time, I thought I could even do better. I could improve my confidence skills, and I wanted to talk to new people in my circle. That came from inside of me, not someone telling me to do so. Not my parents telling me I need to do this and that. None of them work. When you look inside of yourself, a weakness. I decided to join Toastmaster to erase my shy monster and reveal a confident version inside of me. At first, I need to prepare a presentation and share it with everybody in the room in just 7 minutes, but I thought I just experienced 7 hours on stage. I was so scared and embarrassed. I said the words I didn't want to say, my movements, oh my gosh, everything. So I thought, if talking to the group was hard at first, so why don't I just talk to someone, like strangers? That decision completely changed my life forever. I set a goal talking to 20 new strangers every fucking day. No matter what, no excuse, just talk to 20 people every day. In the elevator, at lunchtime, or whenever it might be. I knew this would bring me a better result to come back to Toastmaster. And right from the day one, I can just talk to 3 strangers, but the goal is 20. So I need to get back every day and talk to 20. Just day by day, when I talk to strangers, I have a lot of friends. People want to get in touch with me. And I stretch my relationship circle out to new people. And many people followed me, and a lot of people love to talk with a shy guy like me, like before. And from that experience, I have so much confidence, and I believe in myself to do the presentation on Toastmaster. And are you curious how much time I've invested in this process? Just 30 days. During 30 days, I read 2 to 3 books about how we talk to strangers and practice talking to the mirror every day. And when do you talk to strangers? You improve your relationship, you improve your confidence skills, and you improve your communication skills, and your life would be happier and less lonely. This is my jump point in life. It's just a short video, but I want to show you how you could do the same to design a huge jumping point in your life. Every jump point will make a huge impact. Sometimes some small talk could change someone, and could change their lives too. So I'm improving every day my voice on my video and the quality of the video, and I hope you enjoy it and share it with people who struggle with talking to strangers or being lonely for a long period of time. Remember this: success doesn't come to you, you go for it. I can't wait to see your improvements. And this is today's episode. I'm Louis. See you in the next video.